Premature gray hair occurs when hair follicles gradually lose their ability to produce melanin. Mayraki Anti Grey is formulated to support this natural process by nourishing the scalp and helping restore hair's original pigment over time, without harsh chemicals. Start by applying Mayraki Anti Grey on wet or dry hair. Focus on targeted areas with gray strands. Gently spread the product and massage into the scalp. You may rinse or leave it on, but consistent use delivers the best results. By targeting scalp health and pigment support, Mayraki Anti Grey helps improve the environment where hair color begins. With consistent use, visible improvements may be noticed in as early as 7 days, with continued results over time. Premature graying can be managed with the right routine and long-term care.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hair care insights. Check the link in the description to learn more about Mayraki hair products.